Hi and hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the HipKitClub. Today is Moodboard inspired layout theme, and I am working with the gorgeous December kits, and the kits are full of exclusives, and the moodboard is kind of a wintry scenery snowflake type of stuff, you know. And I took a picture from our very first snow this year, and we had the snow for, I don't know, a few hours, maybe a day, but it was not long. And so I was kind of happy and kind of thrilled, and I am just scrapping that picture because it's the only winter picture I have at the moment, and so I'm going with it. So I have the picture printed in, I don't know, 3x3, maybe a bit bigger, and I have stamped with the exclusive stamp set and the inklings, the shimmers paints from the color kit, the color code called Oaky Bear Blue. And I wanted to have some kind of a watercolory looking snowflakes, and you can see how they turned out, and I totally love how they turned out. And next to that, I had a look into the exclusive stuff, the acetate pieces, the chipboard pieces, the die cuts. And first of all, I grabbed all of the snowflakes, and now I'm looking through the chipboard stickers, and I'm just grabbing a few bits and pieces because I wanted to have some kind of a tiny cluster on top of the picture. And so I'm going with a snowman, some trees, and tons of snowflakes. I'm also grabbing that little chipboard piece that said just chillin', I believe. And next to that, I will also grab a chipboard sticker, the 2021, and I will place that right there. And next to that, I will bring in some gray thread and some tissue paper behind the picture and the paper cluster. And now I'm grabbing the Oaky Bear Blue again because I wanted to have a bit of a color in the background. I'm not overdoing it. I'm just grabbing the color and some water, a piece of plastic, and I'm just smudging some of the color down. And I'm working on a bezel marshmallow cardstock, and that one can handle lots of water, and so I'm totally fine with not adding any gesso to the paper. Yeah, now I'm just pressing down the plastic, and I'm just going for a messy background, not no shape or no reason for doing that, just for some color on the background. And now I'm bringing in some splatters, and then I will just roll over it with the paper towel because I wanted to soak off the rest from the liquid. And so the color is getting a bit lighter by doing that. Yeah, and now I'm just going back with my cluster, with my snowflakes, and just adding everything to the paper. And I'm just gluing down the tissue paper behind my picture. And yeah, next to that, I will use a lot of foam tape and dimensional tape to get, yes, lots of dimension on my layout. And I totally love the soft colors from the kits. I totally love all of the exclusive stuff. There's so many pieces to choose from. And yeah, I have said that before. And when I can't make any decisions about the theme, I am narrow down my choices by colors or by type of stuff I want to use. And I am just yeah, doing that with here it's definitely the Oaky Bear Blue, the light blue color I picked as my main color. And yeah, I'm just going with it. I'm just scattering the snowflakes around and all the different pieces I have. I will also grab the exclusive Silver Puffy Alpha, and I had a bit of a trouble with finding the right letters, and so I took a break because I just couldn't figure out how to spell or how to, you know, but in the end I made it, and I totally love it. I love the letters, the font. I love it. So, and I'm writing first snow, and then I will grab the tiny blue exclusive alphas, and I will just add of the year underneath the word, the title, the first snow. And now I'm looking for some other bits and pieces to add. I would place the word happy on top of the bigger snowflake on top of the picture. I added some leaves, but I will remove them just because it was not looking right to me. I haven't, I don't know. So I decided to remove it and place some white puffy floral things instead. And I'm just going for these kind of berry twigs, and I love them. I really love them. And I am nearly done, I believe. I will just add some more bits and bobs. I will have a look into the all of the sticker sheets. I would just have some fun. And I will also add my journaling lines underneath the title. But first I will add these cute blue puffy stickers and of the year. And yeah, I am nearly done. I know I will not make any big decisions here, so I'm just going with the flow, and I will add just the things I want to, yeah, you know. So I know I will also bring in one dark blue chipboard heart and these cute puffy stickers. I had a bit of a trouble because I don't know. I wanted to bring in some kind of word sticker, but the black one was just too black. And so I decided to go with a white one. And I totally love how this is looking. And I think I'm going with this makes me happy, maybe, or this makes me smile. Some kind of saying, yeah. And yeah, now some chipboard pieces, the dark blue one right there. And then I am done. So I will just add the journaling lines, but that's it. You will get a close-up and some final pictures at the end. And thank you so much for stopping by. I wish you all a great day. And that's it. Talk to you soon and bye.